Hello YouTube, this is Charlie D right here. I got a really neat little project I was going to show you guys. Thought you guys might have an interest. There's no really easy way to work on a push mower. So this guy was going to throw out this old computer printer bench type thing. I guess that's what it was for. So what I've done is I've mounted this board right here permanently and let it protrude out a little bit on both sides from the back side of the table, and what that allows, and I took this shelf off right here. That's supposed to be a wooden shelf right here, and there was also a sliding out shelf right here. I removed it and the sliders, but I left this one. This one slides out forwards and slides out the other way too, which I think is kind of interesting. So what that allows me to do is to either drain the oil, do maintenance on, or do whatever I want to. And I left this, so you know, I left this board loose so I can use it on different widths, different lengths of push mowers, and the other one, the other side being permanently mounted, that helps keep it from falling off. So if you do something silly and hurt yourself, that's on you. This is something I created, and I just thought that might give an idea to somebody else to you know, to help get something off the ground so you can save your back. You can sit on a chair. And right now I'm fixing this little primer button on this push mower, so I'm pretty much almost just a little bit below eye level on it. So anyways, just thought if you have an old computer roll around stand, just then you know there's a second life for it. This was at a sale. The guy was going to throw it in the trash, and I came up with a second use for it. So I've used it for like 3 different mowers so far, and very, very happy with it. The only difficulty is just picking it up and putting it up there. And I guess if you really, really wanted to, you could find a way to lift it up off of your ceiling somehow. So anyways, just thought I'd share that with you guys. Chad the Deer right out.